Hello and welcome dear students to online English video class. In today's class we are going to have exercise of chapter number 25, that is subject, verb and agreement. Dear students, the last classes we had, in these we have been discussed about subject, verb and agreement. We had discussed at least 10 rules of the chapter. So I hope the chapter is clear to you. So without waste of time student, let us begin the class. Here we are going to discuss about exercises. Okay, so your exercise A is talking about fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the bracket. So first of all, first sentence is the boy is dash hosting a class party this month. So here you have to fill the suitable verb. So according to this sentence, the answer will be the boys will be hosting a class party this month. Okay. Question number two. The whole family dash be coming to visit us. So here you have to fill verb that will be based on the be form. So here again the answer will be will be. Question number three. She dash quarrel with everyone but not with me. As you know that she is a singular subject, so always carries a singular verb. So here will be quarrels. She quarrels with everyone but not with me. Okay. Question number four. The children dash come here while ago looking for their teacher. So answer will be the children came. Okay. Number five. I dash be standing at the shop window when I happened to see her. So I was standing at the shop window when I happened to see her. Okay. Question number six. A little girl and her brother dash be seen traveling alone. So a little girl and her brother have been seen traveling alone. Question number seven. I dash be confident that she never dash tell a lies. Tell lies. Answer will be I am confident that she never tell a lies. Okay. Now question number seven. There will be tells student. I have not written here, but here will be. Just wait. I will write TELLS. Okay. Tells and am. Here will be am. And here TELLS. Clear? Because this tells is basically based on this subject she. Question number 8. Will you come home now? Okay, so will then come. Question 9. The teachers have not checked our test paper yet. The answer will be have not. Now question 10. Where are they have first phrase says where are they? So here answer will be are. I have been looking. This is looking for them. So this exercise is completed. Now let's have exercise B. Now exercise B is saying that use the correct forms of verbs be and has as required to complete the following sentences. Clear, no? So one is has all the equipment imported from Germany. So you know equipment is it don't have a plural, so we will use has or have. I explained you has all the equipment. Okay. Now okay, question number 2. A lot of rubble and sand was left on the roadside by workers. Idli and sambar is a favorite breakfast among Indian because idli and sambar is a compound subject that is joined by and but they are showing a single idea, and we cannot when we use idli we have to use somber together. We are not going to use both the subject separately. So that is why just learn my sentence, go to the last video and then check out, I explained there, you will be getting. Question number 4, the UK dash decided to send its foreign minister to India. So the UK has. Okay, now 5 is Mr. Sinha and Mr. Ghosh have still not agreed on how much tax the foremen must pay. So here you can say one subject and then two subjects. These two subjects are added by and, but two subjects are separated. Mr. Sinha is another person and Mr. Ghosh is another person. So when the two compound sentences are joined by two and also they shows a separate sense, we use plural form. Okay, number 6, not one of her daughters intelligent like her. So let me check the sentence in the book. Yeah, so is intelligent student, here is dot dot dot, here you have to fill this is. Okay, check in the book, page number 122 is given. Okay, now 7th is mathematics is a fascinating subject. Answer is. Okay, now 8, hair and nails, human hair and nails are composed of more or less the same. Number 9, the last story in this book is very scary. Now number 10, the lawyer's arguments were. So here we are talking about argument, that is why were is given, found to be full of flaws. Okay, now 11, research, this is research. Okay, research page number 123 is given. So research is given RESH. Okay, that is SH, RESHEARCH, that is research. It is misprint, please don't mind. So research has proved that chimpanzees are expectantly intelligent. Okay, now 12, have they decided the theme of the book fair this year at? Okay, 12 is, have they decided the theme of the book fair this year at? Now number 13, the thieves had entered the house through a back window. Now 14, the children had a big smile on their faces when the teacher walked in. So here the answer will be had. Okay, now 15, my father with a few of his friends and colleagues is fishing. Okay, so here answer will be is. Clear? So my father with few of his friends and colleagues. So the same concept, one single idea is showing on, that is why the verb is given. Now we are going to move towards the next exercise, that is exercise C. What to do here? Let's see. A few of sentences given below have errors of subject, verb, agreement. Rewrite them correctly. If you think the sentence is correct, write no error against it. Okay, so let's see. The Arabian Nights are a collection of interconnected story. Now children, you can see that Arabian Night. I told you where there is proper noun, we always used singular verb. Proper noun is always a singular subject. So with the singular subject we use a singular verb. So what is error here? Error is are. So you will cut this R and you will write is. Already I have written here. Now question 2, only a cupboard full of books is going to be sold. Now in this sentence there is no error. Okay, now question 3, neither the agents nor my lawyers were able to help me. Neither the agent nor my lawyers. And what is error? Verb. Because the talking about the agent nor my lawyers, where we are going to use neither and nor, So the verb can be used according to the nearer subject. And what is the nearer subject? The nearer subject is lawyer. Lawyer is a singular subject. But what verb is put here? Verb put is verb. So it is the error. What you have to do? My lawyer was. Clear? My lawyer was. Now number 4. This pair of socks has been laying around since yesterday. There is no error. Now 5. All the furniture in our house are very old. Okay. So here R is error. Answer will be is. The quality of these mangoes is not good at all. There is no error. Number 7. Not only my phone but also my cards was stolen. Okay. Again, not only but also. So cards. We do not use here. Singular subject, because not only my phone but also cards, the nearest subject cards given in plural form, so we use plural verb, that is verb. Okay. Now question 8. Your honesty and kindness is your greatest strength. Okay, so answer will be this is error, that will be Okay, now 9 is the flood situation in many of the regions have become worse. So answer will be has. And in 10th question, the soil on the bank of most rivers is sandy. There is no error. Clear, student? So in this way we have completed all exercise based on the chapter number 25. And this chapter also has been discussed. So I hope all the things is clear to you. Now you have to write all exercise in your book, and you can fill exercise in your book, and if you want to study, please read the rules from the video. In the last video I will give the description, I will give the link of the last two videos of this chapter in the given link. Okay, so thank you so much and have a nice day.